All right, I'm going to solve some of the problems on page 199 to help you get started with your homework. The first one, number 1, the sum of a number and its square is 72. Find the number. First thing you want to do is think about setting up a chart with the variables that are being talked about. What are they talking about? The sum of a number. So there's one thing for a chart, a number. And its square. So the square of the number. So we do a little chart here. I could let the number be x. What would the square of the number be? Hopefully you figure out that would be x squared. So the number is x, the square is x squared. Now, the problem says the sum of a number and its square is 72. So x plus x squared equals 72. That's the equation I have to solve. So the first thing I need to do to solve that is to set it equal to 0 and factor. So let's see what happens when I set it equal to 0 and try to factor it. So first I can rewrite it as x squared plus x minus 72 equals 0. Now I think about factoring into two parentheses. X for x squared. 72, I could use negative 1 times 72, 1 times negative 72, 2 times 36 minus 36 minus 2 times 36. There's a whole lot of factors I can use. But I noticed that 8 times 9 is 72, and the difference between 8 and 9 is 1. So I'm going to use 8 and 9. Now I do know that I need to have a minus and a plus. And since the plus is in the middle, is a plus, I want the bigger number to have a plus. So I'm going to do plus 9 minus 8 equals 0. Now, I factored it. I can solve each factor. X minus 8 equals 0. X equals 8. X plus 9 equals 0. X equals minus 9. So what could the number be? It could be 8, and 8 squared, 64. Do those add up to 72? You can check. They do. What if I use minus 9? What's minus 9 squared? 81. 81 plus minus 9, also 72. So this problem has two answers. All right. Now we're going to do another problem on the same page. We're going to skip ahead a little bit to number 8. All right, number 8. Let's get rid of this stuff here. And number 8, 2 ships leave port, one east and one south. And when they are 17 miles apart, the eastbound ship is 7 miles further south than the southbound ship. Find how far each ship is from port. So, if we do a little picture about this, we could say that one ship is going east. Here's the port. The other one is going south. Now it says the eastbound ship is 7 miles further. So, I guess we could draw this to scale and make that a little bit longer. So this side is x. This is x plus 7. How far are they apart? This distance here, 17 miles. Now, I can set up an equation to solve this. You guys know the Pythagorean Theorem, right? A squared plus b squared equals c squared. So, the equation is going to be x squared plus x plus 7 squared equals 17 squared. And you can solve that. I'm going to let you finish solving this. Remember that once you get all of these parts squared, and you have to use FOIL here, so do x plus 7 times x plus 7. You figure that out. When you set it equal to 0, combine like terms and then refactor. And if you get a negative answer, it can't be an answer because I can't have the side of a triangle as a negative number. So you should be able to do that.